Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to my channel. We are in process video 179 and this is my first layout featuring the April Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club. This mini kit features papers from Photo Play Freebird collection. I'm also adding a few things from the embellishment add-on kit for this particular page. So let's just get on it. I'm sharing with you the 3 pattern papers that come with the kit, as well as the die cut pack, and also 2 cardstocks. 2 cardstocks. Now, the cardstocks are, of course, 2 so that you can make a double page layout if you wanted to. But with this particular layout, I'm just going to do a single page, and I'm using 5 photos, 3 that are vertical and 2 that's horizontal, and they're all 3x4 photos. So with this one, I love the papers, don't get me wrong, I think it's wonderful, but I was more drawn to the B side, which is the more subdued patterns, than the ones that are on the A side, which has a lot more design. I'm here when I started this, I really didn't have any idea as to how I wanted this page to be, and so as you can see, I'm kind of moving things around. I have a lot of photos considering that this is a single page, but if I were to move this in a double page layout, there was just a lot more empty space, and I would rather have a slightly crammed single page than a double page that has just a lot more space in it. So let me know if you are a scrapper and you have these amount of layouts that you were going to scrapbook. Would you turn this into a double page, or would you just keep it as a single page? I'm kind of curious to see what you guys think. So now I am working on how I wanted to do the papers. Like I said, I didn't have a sketch or an idea in mind. I just knew that these are the photos I wanted to use and the papers that I wanted to create with. And so I ended up using kind of a not an L shape, quite L shape, but kind of sort of. So I have like this block of paper on the one side, and then the kind of horizontal block going, and then some elements on the sides of it. Now I started off with that gray cardstock, but I needed to kind of ground my page, and so I just cut about a 1/4 inch strip of the floral paper and then use that as my frame. So from just looking at the video, it looks like I actually matted a cardstock on the pattern paper, but it's the other way around because I didn't have a full sheet of that. Know that if you've seen Flavors of the Month kit, you only get 3 pattern papers. So that's one of the reasons why I wanted to do that kind of frame, because I don't have a lot of that particular sheet. Now initially I wanted to put my title on that square. It was a square frame, and then I turned it into a triangle just to fit the space that I have it in, and also because there's a lot of there's a lot of squares and no, actually there's a lot of rectangles on my layout already, so I kind of wanted to do something different, but there was just not enough room. So I'm just going to use that to hold some embellishment, and then I put my title on the bottom. I combined 2 letter stickers, one that's from American Crafts, which is the black, and then I have this kind of turquoise blue from a very old My Little Shoebox sticker sheet that I used for part of my title. And I like that the turquoise in the sticker sheet matched the frame that I created here. And then this whole sticker sheet, I believe, is part of the embellishment add-on. And so I'm just kind of using this stuff here and kind of just playing around now. I did use the doily. I was considering should I not use it, or should I use it because this is a more masculine layout. You know, it's a documentation of my son getting his Weeblos award, and kind of crossing over from Cub Scout to Boy Scout, but I ended up using it just because the doily kind of have a very subtle design to it, so it's not so girly, but at the same time the roundness of the shape kind of breaks up all of the hard edges of my layout. So basically that is my page. I know it's pretty fast, but I hope that you like it. you like this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to know more about the flavors of the month kit and the Scrap Room Kit Club, make sure that you check out the description below, but because it will have a link to the website. And I will catch you guys another day. Bye.